about your soft skin. 'Cause we're still sleeping.
What's up? Casual Paul here, and welcome back to the channel. I got another Hot Wheel build for you. So today, guys, what I'm going to do is we got this mystery machine, Hot Wheel, pretty cool little car, kind of heavy, steel base. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill the rivets on this, take it apart. We're gonna build ourselves a monster mystery machine. So monster truck mystery machine is gonna take a little bit of work, but I'm gonna show you guys. It's not gonna be that detailed of a video, guys, because I have so many requests for other builds that have been coming out. But I wanted to show you guys real quick how I do it and what it takes to get done. So let's get to it. Let's start with the suspension to this build, okay? So real quick, I have a bolt and just a normal little bolt and some scrap wire. I actually have a whole roll of this stuff, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the wire, just kind of line it up like that, get some vice grips, see if I can do it with the camera right there, clamp it, and we're gonna start winding. Okay, let's do this. So just quick winds real fast without trying to break this wire, because I already used it a couple of times. But okay, you just keep going up and up the bolt like this. Okay, and that's what you get. And then if you separate like that, you kind of just get something else and push them together. Let me do this off the camera real quick, guys, so I can show you. See how it's starting to scoot together? Just like that. And when you're done, all said and done with that, you end up with a spring like this. You cut it off, you take it off your bolt and you cut it off. That's it. Boom. Then you get yourself a paper clip real quick, like I said. Open it up and you're gonna open it up and try to make it as straight as possible. Okay. Probably, I know I can make it straighter than this, but like I said, I don't want to take a lot of time. Okay. So then you fold it in half till these ends meet, and you go down, 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 down. Okay. I get my end of my cutters here and just squeeze it, and then go down, 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 just like that. Oh, okay, you end up with this little shaft like this. Okay, I could do way better than that. I'll show you one that's already done right there. Okay, this is where your axle is going to go through. So wheels, axle will go through there. Okay, then your spring. So it's kind of gonna look like that. Okay, with the axle, spring, everything. Okay, guys, I'm gonna work on the base next, and I will be right back. So these are the parts that I have for the base. Okay, and it has these little slots for the wheels, and those slots back here for the wheels. What I'm going to do is, what I'm thinking is using some scrap wire. I also have a cage from another truck that I'm probably going to use on this. So I'm going to assemble everything, come up with something, and then we'll get it going, guys. So let me put this together and figure out how it's going to work, and I will be right back. So I decided that I wanted to put a little roll cage inside the mystery machine here, and it looks pretty cool, especially if I was to paint it. Then you'd be able to see it from the outside, but it's just a little roll cage. And I got the frame. Here we go. I put a motor here in the front and a motor there in the back. There's little slots. Another slot for the wheels, and that is that frame that cage I was talking about. Okay. Um, there's a seat in there, wheel, all that stuff, guys. So let's start assembling this thing to see how it goes. All right, here it is, all assembled. As you can see, the only thing I didn't put in was the glass. I need to modify the windshield a little bit since I put that roll cage. But that's what it is. I'm probably going to add something else in the back. It looks too plain. And paint, guys. I'm going to put some paint on it. Rolls pretty good. Has that crazy suspension that I made. The wheels are nice. There's that motor there. There's a motor back here like a real monster truck. Steering wheel in there. I don't know if you can see. Let me see if I can zoom in. Nope, it won't get it. You can see the roll. There's the steering wheel. You can see the roll cage in there. I want to paint that too. I want to paint the truck. Do something with that front bumper. I know what it needs. It needs a rear bumper. I'm probably going to put a rear bumper or something else on there just to make it a little bit more beefy, you know, I guess. Make it stand out more, but it rolls pretty good, guys. You know, little monster truck mystery machine. I'm going to paint it, but I'm not going to put that boring part into the YouTube video. I'm probably going to stick it on my TikTok though, because it's kind of only 90 seconds, so I rushed through the whole build, and at the end I'll probably have some paint on it and everything. Maybe, I don't know yet. So if you're watching this now, you either seen it here on YouTube or you seen it on TikTok and came over here to see it. But that's basically the build. You know, if you guys like this stuff, you know, make sure you let me know in the comments if you want me to do anything else. And it's not too crazy. Make sure to comment. You know, the one with the most comments or, you know, requests, then I'll do it. Of course, I can't do every single thing. What else? Any other ideas you guys want? You know, not necessarily, you know, Hot Wheels or whatever, but anything, you know, any tips, any tricks, how to, I don't know, remove the tempos, how to, whatever you guys want to do, you know, just let me know how to build the roll cage, how, whatever, we'll do it. And like I said, it doesn't necessarily have to be a Hot Wheel related. It could be, you know, anything that's allowed on YouTube, I guess. So, with that said, guys, you know, this was a fun build. I'm Casual Paul. Make sure you subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. Invite people, share, like, hit that bell notification to get all the latest content that comes out. And I'm going to be trying my hardest, guys, to do what I can for you, to bring you guys the best content that I can. I'm also thinking of going to looking for cars, so we'll go out to the stores and see if we can find some nice treasure hunts, super treasure hunts, or just something to customize. If you guys like that idea, let me know, please. I'm really thinking of doing it though, but let me know because your guys' input means everything. Thank you guys again. I'm Casual Paul. Before we end this video, I wanted to show you guys the original TikTok. Here it is. It's only 90 seconds long. So there's the base when it was getting built. It's basically this whole video shortened down. There's the parts that I was using. You know, it only gives me so much time. There's a suspension, guys. There's where the truck got together the first time. How I put the axles and the wheels together. There's assembled truck there. And there it is in paint, guys. Still need a little bit of work, but that's basically it. I'm probably going to clear it again. Thank you guys very much for supporting me and my channel. If we can get this going and get more subscribers, make sure you like, subscribe. I can do better things for you guys and better content and everything. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Peace out.